Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. And hey, I'm at the Rye Heights. The Rye Heights, this is their pool, and it's a gorgeous pool. So we're gonna just walk around so you can get a peek at it. Really attractive pool. And it's on an elevated floor, by the way, so it's not on ground floor. I always like that. You can see it's a really nice pool. There's seats that just kind of are barely in the water, so you can just be sitting in the water and relax. And there's kind of an infinity feel over there in the pool at the end. Really nice. There's kind of some fountains coming out there. It's a really attractive pool. There's a lot of fun places to sit here too. Sit with friends, sit by yourself. There's a grilling station that's over here. Actually, two grilling stations. And then, hey, what apartment wouldn't be an apartment without cornhole? Two cornhole sets, so that's all cool. And you notice too that there's great balconies, so you can have a balcony that's overlooking the pool if you want to. Really nice. You can see it's a beautiful sunny day today, and we're in the Heights. This is the Greater Heights. This is the northmost part of the Heights. It's a really nice area. People are loving the Heights. Recent grads love being in the Heights. So this is what it looks like. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and can't wait to hear from you. Now, hey, let's go see another amenity. It's going to be right over there. All the amenities are pretty much on the third floor, and then there's a couple on the top floor too.